Oh, hello, this is Anifan again, and I'm going to continue my exorcism exploration. So, whoa, 12 in 23 challenge. Expand your horizon and trying out 12 different. Complete 5 exercise, not including hello world. In the 1 year, will give you nice progress page that show you are getting on, and if you complete this challenge. I think I will join it. Think C++, Haskell, Rust, Python, C, and maybe Java, Go, Kotlin, Swift. A lot of things to learn. Join in by using 12 and 23 hashtag and social media streaming service. Chat using the tag on our forum. Get started by clicking the card on the right of your dashboard. Got it? So this is my rest. All right, this is cool. All right. All right. This is cool. This is cool. Let's go continue my syllabus. Here I have. So the sublist is a medium problem. Let's start with struct or method. Where's the same problem again? It's clock. Factor or macro? Is this a learning exercise? Extend upgrades. I think let's start with structs. Struct is kind of similar to class, isn't it? If I'm not wrong, I'm not quite sure, but it's different because you separate the functional with impl instead of being in the class itself. I'm not quite sure because I don't really understand object-oriented programming. You're working on implementation health management system. As part of you need to keep track of users' health. You'll start with some stupid function in an import block as well as following struct definition. I will learn two concepts, structs and method. Import. Your goal is to implement this stupid or methodoid thing. Let's start. 25 minutes of Pomodoro. For example, the new method should return an instance of users. Let mute user new string pop. So it will take 1 2 3 value. Alright, name, age and weight. Name, age and weight. New method should return an instance of the user's struct with the specified name, age and weight. Pop weight, pop set age, yeah, okay. I've read about Structs on the Raspberry programming language, but reading and doing is a different thing. So let's see. I think I will need some help. This file contains items that aren't used yet. Feel free to remove this module attribute to enable strict share warnings. Yeah. So we allow unused variables. It is often useful to group a collection of items together and handle those groups as a unit. As units in Rust, we call such a group struct, or struct class. And each item on the struct field, struct defines the general set of fields available, but a particular example of structs called an instance. Particular example of this is an instance. So programmer struct can have methods defined on them which have access to the field impl user implement. The struct itself in that case is referred as self. The struct or self. When a method uses mutable self, the field can be changed or mutated. When a method uses self, the field cannot be changed and they are immutable. Controlling mutability helps the borrow checker ensure that entire classes of concurrency bugs just don't happen in Rust. In this exercise, we will implementing two kinds of method of struct. The first is generally known as scatters. They expose the struct fields into the world without letting anyone else mutate the value in Rust. These methods automatically share the name of field they expose. If we have getter method name age weight. Alright. You will also be implementing methods of another type, generally known as settlers. The sense value of field headers are not a very common in Rust. If a field can be freely modified, it is more common to just make it public. But they're useful if updating the field should have side effects or for access control. Pub create. I don't really sure what this means. Allow the rumor. By the outside world. Struct come in three papers. Structs with implement user, we don't have the muted self, isn't it? We don't have the settlers. So come in three flavors: white, sweet, sour, and salty. Name field, apple structs, and unit structs. For this concept exercise, we're exploring the first variant, struct with named field. There's the name of the field of the data. Structs are defined using structs keyword followed by capitalized name of the type the struct is describing. Another additional types are then brought into the struct body as field of the struct, each with their own type. Lastly, method can be defined on struct inside of the method. Yep, new self. Yep. With that brief introduction to syntax structs, and go ahead and look at the instruction for the exercise. Instructions. What? Okay, that's some bugs. Should be here. Alright. Where's this? Shit. Update the GitHub. I think I tried to create a pull request then. Oh. Don't really understand. Instruction you're working on implementing your goal is to implement stupid methods users struct define in the import block, for example, new methods with an instance of users new string from return there. Alright, I don't remember how to do this. Or more likely I don't have any idea because I don't know. So let's open the language. Struct where's the implementation? Yep. There's no, it is not using implementation. Oh, thing I actually haven't read about implementation. Actually, I do that on lead code because lead code itself are using implement solution, but I don't really understand it, how it works, to be honest, because on lead code we don't really use the self. Some method syntax implement. So this is it. This is it, like just take the self and it should be like that. And the thing is that I don't really know how to, yeah, as I know that rectangle you just implement rectangle. This is it. Alright, so wait, I should be using space actually. Whatever dot name, isn't it? I'm not sure. Actually, that's right. Dot age, and this should be dot. Yeah. I think I will delete this. The thing is how to create that. This is how is it should be. All right, just like this little tiny code. So self, it will take the input, but size, why size? Wait, oh, the input here. All right, should be self, and we have this, isn't it? Boom, age and name, isn't it? Bit size, oh, this is square, so the size is should be equal, whether weight and height should be equal, so should be name, it should be age, and it should be, it feels kind of wrong. It feels kind of wrong. Set age. Oh, there's another things. So for this, I think I can mutate it, isn't it? So I need to change the value. Can I do this? Self age equals to new age, and then return the self age. No, it doesn't return anything. So how to do that? Let's see is there's any, well, let's just run test first, see this, wait, see, my bad. Expected string because it's a soft name. Can I do this? What? Yeah, borrow checker really hard. Anyway, let's just unimplemented. Just do what? I don't really know. Just run it. Failed. So to test is failed. So set age, set weight. Yep. So this is Right, so yeah, but how can I do this? Change the new age. So just explore it before actually search the internet. Alright, so here I am with self, or wait, this is name. This I will mutate the new age and wait age. If it's wrong, then I think it's have something to do with this missing name and weight. All right. But we don't have the argument, the name and the age for this. All right. Oh, can I get? Thank you, compiler. Should I? Oh, it returns self. Alright, just search the internet. Properties. I don't know. So it doesn't return anything. So it returns the self, but it doesn't return anything. It should be return empty. That's expected. How to do that? So that I don't using self, but can I just do this self dot equal to of course, this is an introduction, should be easy, and that's it. So, that's fun. All right, how the statistics solved. Let's see. This is my journey. It's already updated. So Rust, I finished this. What is that? 3%, 4 out of 103. Ooh, so fun. This is Haskell. So Alright, let's see again. Back to this. And see what I see is the syllables. I can wait. Still. Wait. I have solved that. Wait. Why is this like this? Mark is complete. Okay, that's fine. Alright, this structuring low power embedded game and this tuples and option is kinda confusing because I have seen that on linked list, and linked list in Rust is kind of confusing when I just speed it. Actually, I don't really understand linked list either in Python or else, but yep, yeah, it's fun. Alright, so I think that's it for today. So I want to explore another language. So what should I join? Ballerina. Haskell should be fun, and Rust should I learn. I think I want to learn Go, actually. Go. Where is it? Go! And I also want to learn Java, because Anjulia for, yeah. And clean JavaScript should be alright. Okay, more. R. I really kinda miss R. WebAssembly and disassembly. Vim. Vim is not a programming language, but that should be fun. It should be fun. Scheme. A lot of things to learn actually. I guess let's just fight. Camel, name, Luba, Julia. Oh, how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rust and Haskell. Oh, so that's it. Alright, think that's it for now. I will explore this language. Thank you everyone for watching. Till next time. See you later.